Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will solve exercise 4a question number 5. We have a question number 5. It's 6 parts we solve in this video. So let's start. Now we solve question number 1. First we convert this mixed form into proper fraction. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7 by 2 plus 4 by 9. Now we take LCM of 2 and 9. These are two different numbers. This is a odd number and this is a even number. Now we multiply them. 2 9s are 18. Now we check how many times table of 2 cut the 18. 9s are 2 9s are 18. Now 9 multiply to the 7. 9 7s are 63 plus 9 2s are 18 and 2 multiply 4 8. 2 4s are 8. Now we add them. 63 plus 8 71 by 18. This is our answer. Now we start question number 2. 8 by 15 plus 101 by 15. Now solve question number 2. The denominator place value same. There is a 15 and there are also 15. The LCM is 15. When we say the denominator place will be same, then we write numerator same as it is 8. Denominator place is same. Now we numerator write as it is plus 101. Now we add 101 and 8. I think there will be 109. You can check this. There is no cutting possible, so this is your answer. 109 by 15. Question number 3. Now we solve question number 3. This is a odd number and this is a even number. Now we again multiply these two numbers. 8 multiply 11. This will be 88. How many times table of 8 cut the 88? 11s are 8. 11s are 88 and 11. Now we multiply 11 with 7. There will be 77. Now we check table of 11. How many times cut the table of 11? 288. 11 8s are 88. 8 to multiply 6 48. You must know table for this question. Now we add 77 plus 48. This will be 125. 88. There is no cutting possible, so our answer is 125 by 88. Now we start question number 4. Yes student, this is question number 4. 14 by 25 plus 37 by 50. Now we take LCM of 25 plus 50. There we need to take LCM, otherwise there may be any mistakes. Now we take LCM. We first cut with the table of 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 10s are 50. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. We get these three factors. 2 multiply 5 multiply 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 5s are 50. We get LCM 50. How many times table of 25 cut the 50? 25 2s are 50 and 2 multiply 14 equal to 28. You can check this from your calculator, otherwise you can do practically. 50 and 50. 37. Denominator place value is same, so we write numerator as it is. Now we add 28 plus 37. 65. There is cutting possible. 5 tens are 50, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes, there is 6, and 1 will be the next value. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, they are remaining 13 by 10. This is your answer. We see this again. 5 tens are 50, and this is a 6. 1 is when we shift to the next value, and there will be 5. 5 ones are 5, and 1 5 together is 15. 5 threes are 15. 13 by 10 is your answer. Question number 5. Yes student, we have this question number 5. Now we remove mixed form into proper fraction. 10 twos are 20, 20 plus 9, 29 by 10 plus 25 multiply 3, 75, and 75 plus 21, it will be 96. Now you have 96 by 25. Now we take LCM of 10 and 25. We can take LCM at here. 10 and 25. 2 5s are 10. 25 as it is. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 ones are 5. We get 3 factors. 2 multiply 2, 5 multiply 5. 2 5s are 10, 10 5s are 50. We get LCM is 50. Okay, 10, how many times table of 10 is cut the 50? 10 5s are 50, and 5 multiply 9 is 145, plus table of 25, how many times cut table of 25 to 50? 2s are 2 multiply 96, 192. Now we add these two values. Here we used equal symbol. 337 by 50. There is no cutting possible, so this is our answer. This is your question. Now we start question number 6. 1 7 by 12 plus 2 5 by 16. This is your last question of this question number 5. First we convert these mixed form into proper fraction. 12 ones are 12, and plus 7 equal to 19. 19 by 12. Now we multiply 16 to 2. 32. 32 plus 5. 37. 37 by 16. Now we take LCM of 12 and 16. 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 3 1s are 3. 4 1s are 4. We get these factors. 2 multiply 2, 3 and 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. We get LCM 48. Sorry, I have this small piece of paper for this last question. Now we check a table of 12. How many times table of 12 cut the 48? 4 times. 4 multiply 19. 4 multiply 19. How many times table of 16 cut the 48? 3 times. 3 multiply 37. 4 multiply 19. 76. 4 multiply 19. 76 plus 3 multiply 37. 111 by 48. We use equal symbol. Now we add 76 plus 111. This will be 187 by 48. This is your answer. There is no cutting possible, so 178 by 48 is your answer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much.